Alright, well, it's time to make another video. I'm excited to do this one. This is actually a challenge lock from Den Brass. Let's see, there we go, called the Viper. When I first got this a little while back, I tried to do an out-of-package pick on it, and after 30 minutes I still hadn't got it all the way open. I was getting into a good fall set, but then I couldn't get anything beyond that. A few things to note about this lock: it has a very crazy key. He told me to look at the key, so I did, and I'll show you guys in just a minute. The back here, he's glued 2 pins in there to prevent it from going too far in either direction. So now we'll see the key and I'll show you how it operates. The Viper. And it bit me the first time I tried it, and it's bit me several times since, but I think I got it now. It hangs up a little bit sometimes right here, but it does work in both directions. And so my goal is to pick it to about this position right here, and that will be open because I can't go any farther due to the pin. I'm excited to get into this guy. After picking it so many times and being defeated even more times, I'm really excited to see what's going on in here. In my first video, I made my first attempt, I should say, I tried to guess some of what was going on in here, and looking at this here T down there, I'm pretty sure there's T pins, maybe some pin and pins, but there's definitely some serrated stuff, some spools, and I'm pretty sure T-pins, not just because of the drawing on this, but just how it feels. So we're going to go ahead and get after it now. Top of the keyway tension here, and forced. So this one is crazy. I have to work my way back, and I'll get a small false set on 3 right there. Oh, can't see. There we go. And I'll keep working my way back, but man, with all the different stuff going on in here, I keep dropping pins, and you have to go back and reset stuff. I'm getting counter rotation on 6 right now. Okay, back into my false set again. Start over at the front. 1's binding now, and good counter rotation. 1 click, more counter rotation, another click. Now back into a good false set. 2, 3, 4 got a click but no movement. 5 is bound. Back on 6, and some good counter rotation. I kind of lost my false set, but I think 6 is set now. 5, 4. There we go, back into a false. 3, a little bit on 2, 1. All right. Work my way back to the back from the front. Getting some counter rotation on 3 a little bit now, but more on 4. Okay, 5. 6 is still set. Okay. 2, 3. Oh, and I really lost a lot on 3. 4, 5. Oh, 6 again. Okay, a little bit deeper now. 1 is still good. I just have to keep working back and forth on this, and I keep resetting pins, but I get a little bit further every time. 4. And I always go back and check 6, because I drop 6 a lot. 4 and 6. Okay, everything feels pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of play out of 6. Okay. But again, 4. Back on 2. That was 2 there. 3. 4. Man, 4 wants to... There we go. 3, and I'm a little bit deeper now. 2. 1. Okay. 2. A little bit more movement of 1. I think I'm almost there. Yep, there it goes. Okay, that should be it right there. Let's see. Yep, all the way over. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. I can't go any farther beyond that. So now it's time to see what's inside this thing. Way to go, Denbrass. This lock really was a lot of fun to learn here. I had a lot of fun picking this. I'm really excited to see what's inside this guy. So my crap out of the way here. I'm gonna have to readjust the camera too so we can see it a little bit better. So bear with me. Going down. All right. And since we do have the key, I'm going to go ahead and just lock it back up. I take her apart here. I'm actually shaking a little bit. Part of it's stage fright. I haven't been making videos in a long time, so. And I'm just kind of giddy to see what's inside this beast. All right, I think that's the right size. Yep. Ooh, went flying past it that time. Set this right here for now. Whoa. Slowly take it out. Hope I don't dump things here. That number 5. Focus. We'll look at it, but that thing looks serrated beyond belief. They all do. Wow, these look silly. Okay. Here we go. Start dumping them out. Number 1. 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5 and 6. Shoot. Well, I'm going to assume that one, 5, is a big one. Because that one was sitting down. I couldn't pick it. If I ever tried to pick 5 beyond where it was sitting, just in there without anything happening, it would be overset. And, oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see inside here. Come on, camera. Anyway, these are all, oh yeah, they've been tapped. Oh, and this one, 4, actually looks like it's, I'm losing the term here. See? It's been too long. Anyway, it's been ground out a bit underneath there, so there's a really big lip. That would account for a lot of the counter rotation I was getting on 4. Wow, that's nice. I'll put this up here for now. And I'll show you guys all these pins once I get these the rest of these dumped out. Here's one. Oh my gosh, that looks like a... Yep. Pin and pin jobber there. Oh gosh. Try and get this. You can see here that this is a pin and pin. And again, I'll zoom in, but that's awesome. Spring doesn't want to come out. That's okay. That's probably also been tapped inside there a little bit. Looks like another crazy... Yeah. Dump the top part of that pin out first. There we go. Gosh, that's nuts. These are all really nice looking pins that Den Brass has made here. Holy crap. No wonder this was kicking my butt so hard. Wow. Oh, another pin and pin in there kind of stuck. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was 3. Let's get down here to 4. Wow, these are beautiful pins. I'm actually going to push it back through and get them from the other side here. So we're going to take 6 out next. It's a good thing I have this on video. I'm going to need to make sure I get these pins back into the right way. Wow, okay. Oh, here comes 5. Oh yeah, you little bugger, look at you. So I'm just going to feel inside these chambers here. 5, 4, 3, 2. They feel all right. No modifications there. Just the springs down in there. All right, now let's take a closer look at these pins. These things are nuts. These are awesome. A lot of work went into these guys here. This was the key pin there in 1. Get my tweezers out. Look at that. 2. 3. 4? I think 4 is the only normal one in there. 5. 6 also serrated on there. Now we'll look at these awesome driver pins. So the outside of the pin serrated, kind of almost like a mild spool almost. One of the serrations is so deep in there. I don't know if you can see if the damn thing would focus here. And of course, hollow. And this sat right inside of it. That's just a beautiful, beautiful pin. Let me just push that guy together. There we go. Number 2, another beautiful handmade pin there. Look at that. 3, looks like it's a spool, but it is also hollow. And this guy, whoop, sat inside that one. Come on. There we go. Kind of difficult to play with these things with numb hands and a lot of coffee. 4. There's 5. That one's not a pin and pin. Only 1 and 3 appear to be. Yep. And 6. Man, that 5, that one though. Like a massive T-pin. Almost. These are great. Anyway, Dim Brass, thank you very much for this lock. Sorry it took so long for me to get it on camera, but part of that was it was kicking my butt so much. So, awesome work, man. And thank you. Just let me know who I need to send it out to next, and I'll get it on the way. And coming up after this one is going to be a giveaway video. So, that should be up shortly after this one. So, stay tuned. And thanks a lot, guys.